After I learned this recipe, I only want to prepare pasta this way. To begin, we'll put in a pan 7 ounces of spaghetti, 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, 1 red onion, parsley, 3 sausages, 1 cup of tomato sauce, salt, pepper, 3 garlic cloves, and some olive oil. Then we'll cover the ingredients with hot water and we'll leave the pan covered for a while. When it starts boiling, let's mix everything. Guys, take this moment to leave me in the comments where you're watching us from. I would love to know how far our video got. We'll cover the pan again, and after a while, we'll mix again. This recipe is delicious and super practical. Let's cover the pan one more time and mix one more time. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. Now let's add grated mozzarella, and leave the pan covered until the cheese melts. And our recipe is ready. Don't forget to leave me a grade from 1 to 10. It's very important for us to know what you think. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.